Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. So if you have an MX-5, you'll know there's basically nowhere to put a big water bottle like this. It just doesn't work. And although the standard cup holders are good, they can't fit a big 1 litre water bottle that I've recently bought. So I had a look online to see if someone had designed one that I could 3D print, and I was able to find one designed for another water bottle. But since the one I have is a similar diameter, I thought I would give it a try and see if it would fit. So today I'm going to try fitting it for the first time, and hopefully it all goes to plan. So I found this cup holder on the MakerWorld website, and it was designed by a user called MJ-Eaton95, so a big thank you to them for designing this. I've also put a link in the description where you can view and download this exact model. So I did print this in PLA plastic, and a few of the reviews have mentioned that it's not the most heat resistant material, but since this is my first 3D print, it was mainly just an experiment. So let's see how it turns out, and if it's good, I might decide to print it in ABS plastic, which will be more heat resistant. Okay, so this is the moment of truth. I haven't actually tried fitting the cup holder yet, so this will be my first time seeing if it actually fits properly. So if we remove the original one from here, and then this is the new 3D printed one. Let's see if it goes in. So it seems to be in securely, and it is touching the driver's seat slightly, but it's not much of a problem. So the cup holder is in. Now we need to try the big 1 litre water bottle. So this is a Montclair 1 litre water bottle, and I got this from Amazon for £13. So if you'd like to get the same one, I've put a link in the description for you to have a look. Okay, so let's see if the water bottle fits. So it's a bit of a tight fit, but it seems to be in okay, and it does seem quite stable as well. So I'm really pleased that this cup holder fits and that my water bottle fits inside it, but I'm really interested to know how it will do whilst I'm driving. So I've just arrived here at a fairly empty car park, and I'm going to be doing a couple of small tests just to see how well the cup holder holds up. So the first quick test I'm going to do is a quick acceleration and then a heavy braking at the end. So let's get our seatbelt on, and then we'll just go up to the second gear. Won't go too fast, but we'll just see if the cup holder stays in place. So we'll just accelerate, slight pressure on the brakes, and we'll just do that one more time. And it seems to be okay. So we'll just do one more quick test. This time we'll just go side to side. So I think it's fair to say that the cup holder is holding up quite well. I don't think there's much movement when accelerating and then braking or going side to side. So I'm quite happy with it. So that's a quick video showing you my new 3D printed cup holder. And for my very first 3D print, I'm really impressed with the finish and also how it performs. Once again, thank you to the person that designed it. I hope you enjoyed the video and found it useful. If you did, please give it a like and subscribe if you want to see more MX-5 videos. If you've 3D printed anything for your MX-5, I'd be really interested to know, so just let me know in the comment section below. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.